How to reset your Acorns password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Acorns website. After you're in Acorns website, click on Login at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on Login, enter your email. After you've entered your email in here, press on Forgot Password at the bottom. After you press on Forgot Password, click on Enter your email again and enter your email again. Then press on Send Email. Email will be sent to your mail. Make sure you check it, and there, simply you'll find Reset Instruction. You can click on it, change your password, and in some cases, you'll find direct link to log in as well. And after you do that, simply log in. And this is how to reset your Acorns password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.